We have arrived in Tokyo. Just got to the hotel after trying to figure out the trains. Pretty nice view. Not bad. This place is insane. Big fan so far. It's really hot though. Really hot. Not sure how much I filmed, but we are in Japan. We landed in Tokyo yesterday, about 1 p.m. Japan time. The jet lag and everything. We tried to do as much as we could, just walking around. Our hotel is in Shinjuku, and we walked around for a while, went to a restaurant or two, got some beers. But by 8 p.m. I couldn't keep my eyes open, so we went to bed a little early tonight. But we were able to sleep relatively through the night, so I think jet lag should be okay from now on. We're only here for about 3 days in Tokyo. After Tokyo, going to Ebisu. We're picking up a rental car on the way because public transport around Ebisu is kind of rural. I think it might be kind of annoying, so we just decided to rent a car. I'm here with my mom. I don't know if I've said that. I'm excited, very excited. It's figuring out the train system was a little crazy, but we got it eventually. Yeah, this place is really cool. I really want to come back with some friends. I mean, it's just hard to try to plan drifting as a foreigner because this drift rental is very expensive, so I'm only doing 1 day of it. Obviously it would make more sense if we're coming for like a week or two of drifting to buy a car, but this country has been ran through of all the JDM drift cars, if you will, so can't really. You can do that, but it's going to be very pricey, and then you have to figure out storage and maintenance. Getting parts here is a problem. Anyway, worth it though, so definitely want to come back already. And I just got here. I'm trying to film as much as I can. It's a little hard to film in public. I'll check back in later. We're going to Shibuya to see the Shibuya crossing, the famous scene from Tokyo Drift, so that'll be cool. I'll try to get some footage of that too. But yeah, super stoked.
Sweet thing, I've been lost in the light. Every morning, listening's a state of the mind. I've been trying to act on your social cues, but you know I need someone else to tell me what to do. Oh, sweet thing, tell me what to do. If I knew.
It is day 3 in Tokyo, last day. Tomorrow we're leaving to Mount Inn, which is by the track, and we're gonna stay the night, and then Friday, 2 days from now, I will be drifting. So very stoked. But Tokyo's been great. Food is amazing. Like the atmosphere, everything is just really cool here. So yeah, I'm really excited to go drifting now.
Cause all the views will be nice. Lend the stories that we'll tell our friends. We'll make him laugh until the party ends. Oh, won't you stay for the ride? It's do or die. Let's turn this 10 into 11 and make a jump to 7th heaven. Shopping carts and chronic pain. I'm 9 years over drinking age. Is this how Mom said it would be? Cause if so, I've got sights to see. Strawberry fields and impossible highs. Looking for purpose and what else to find.
Leaving our hotel in Tokyo, about to take the Shinkansen to halfway up to Ebisu, and then we pick up our rental car to go the rest of the way. I think we're gonna stop at Up Garage too. I really want to check that out. That seems cool. But yeah, drifting is tomorrow. I'm super stoked.
Just all the views will be nice. And the stories I will tell our friends will make them laugh until the party ends. Oh, what's you say for the ride? It's
Pay attention to the driving speed.
Okay, we just picked up the rental car and we're headed to Mount Inn. It's a little weird driving on the left side.
Pretty mountains.
So much different. Car keeps yelling at us. We're going too fast. But we're gonna try to find a 7-Eleven on the way because we have yet to eat there. Bro just pulled up, left it running. We went to 7-Eleven. The 7-Eleven is 5 minutes from Mount Inn, where we're staying. Which is good. All their sandwiches are like the triple deckers. You can ask them to warm up stuff. So I got that bread and this fish fillet sandwich.
Good?
It's good. Mm-hmm. 8.2 out of 10. Be good. Get some of that. Well, this was 2,000 yen.
Oh, I didn't notice the price. Yeah, 2,000 yen, which is what? $6 is 1,000. So
It's probably like 12 bucks.
12 bucks.
12 to 15 bucks maybe. This is good. What they say is true. 7-Eleven. I don't know how the right-hand drive is gonna be drifting. I tried it on my simulator and I sucked at it. Kept money shifting. Chicken and egg with teriyaki sauce. This is such a weird combination, but they do it. They pull it off every time.
all the
I
trash.
gotta go throw this away.
And get a napkin.
And then we're off to Mount Inn. Just arrived at Mount Inn. Woo! Just parked in this tiny ass spot. Go check in, and then I don't know what we're gonna do the rest of the night. We don't drift till tomorrow, but really excited. Finally here. This place is awesome. I'm finally here after seeing it in all the YouTube videos. Stream down the middle. Wow. This place is so cool. Look at that. I don't even know what they're playing. There's the drift simulator. Wabaki. I can't fit in these. These have got to be women's. We did get the Western style, so.
Yeah.
This is cool. Very spacious. Oh, that. What is you? You can't read this.
Oh my. This is different.
Let me see. Yeah. So it's like the whole thing is a shower.
Yeah.
It just drains. Then bathroom. Another wabaki. Look at this abandoned resort thing. It's a nice looking hotel. Completely abandoned. Look. Morning. It's Ebisu day. We are off to Ebisu. We made it. There's the iconic entrance. K-trucks everywhere. There's the gas station. The Sidex crew is about to come meet us at the front, and then we'll go up, and I have to prove that I can do figure eights, and then they'll let me free. There they are. We got the ticket.
Safari.
What just flew out? Oh. I don't know. Probably the LSD. Okay, sure.
You driven this on a Seto Corsa and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. So you do the straight, muncher section, 2 hairpins. This one here with the concrete, we've lost 4 cars on this very corner.
Okay.
Just because it's off camber.
Yeah.
It sucks you in. You hit this concrete and you dive into those trees.
Okay.
So even when we drive, we just finish here.
Yeah. Okay.
And like, you know, it's good as well because it's not really a good chase corner or anything. So yeah, we finish here on this last corner and we don't do this one because, you know, we've lost 4 cars there.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, I'll not do that corner.
is it! Oh my god! Ah! Good. Temp's good, everything good. That was fun. 97, yeah, temps are fine. All good. Yep. About to go back out. Yep. Yeah, buddy. That way. That was good. Woo! Got no tires left, but I'll throw down a lead ride. Alright. That was good. I got no tire either, so. Yeah, that was crazy. That was cool, man. I didn't think your boy would get on my door like that. But I'm here for it. That was sick. Good car.
Matsuri is for foreigners, so yeah. You still have a lot of locals, but the locals usually drive before or after Matsuris. Because
stay away from.
No, it's not staying away. There's some that really like enjoying driving it. People who come to driving, they're not like beginners.
Yeah. Like,
I'm not kidding. If you got in the track, there's no gap between the driving. Definitely, if you guys can come up to Matsuri, you guys would love it.
I want to have my own car.
Yeah. In Japan today, like the whole world, the cheapest way to go is to Z.
The Z?
Z can get pretty cheap.
Like 500,000 yen. Like,
US.
Yeah, really.
On the auctions, I was looking at, we could find one manual for 330.
Wow.
That would be 3,000.
Like
less than 3,000 US.
2500.
2007 US. Like a chaser like this would be like more than 20,000.
Yeah, that's wild.
Then it becomes too expensive.
And then you don't even want to drift it because you got all this money in it.
Exactly, and then you're not gonna treat it like a shit because it's expensive car.
Yeah.
So the go times for this were just gone years ago.
I wish I was in elementary school when.
Oh yeah, I came here first time.
It
was 2016. The first time I came to Japan. Juvias and cars like this, like ready to go for like 600,000 yen. That's like six.
That's a dream.
Now it's just like the whole road once then, so it's expensive and then it just got more and more and more and more because the drift just consume it all.
Yeah.
They're all gone. Like S14s and S13s NA in Japan back in the time was like 100,000 yen.
Yeah.
They're like no one wants it, so it's just like and nowadays
What's up with the Z's?
Yeah.
Just give it a couple years.
Oh yeah, Z's was used to be 50,000 yen. 500 bucks. Yeah. Because no one, like here in Japan, they hate it.
Really?
They fucking hate it.
We love them.
Yeah.
They drift super good. You can thrash on them and they just take it. I mean, I don't like the way they sound.
There's no other car that gives the seat time as the Z does.
Oh no.
Just got back from lunch. This is amazing, man. Everything I've dreamed of. Unreal.
Won't you get down with me, down with me, down with me? Oh, you down with me, down with me, down with me. Won't you get down with me, down with me, down with me? Oh, you down with me, down with me. Hold on. I got a crowd wrapping around the whole town for me.
like my style, don't ya? Nights like this, I wish I was with ya. On my turf, roll out the Henry rucks. She like when I hit the receiver.
Alright, Jack. Don't do crate. Don't be.
I won't.
I can't get my belt on because I can't even see.
Ready? And you. Ebisu.
I didn't freak out totally.
No, you did good. Cool. good. I want to go do Toge, but I also don't want to leave. On our way to Toge course right now. Toge. Power vehicles. So cool. Oh, there's got so many cool cars here. Yeah, I'm still not sure how much I'm gonna actually drift, just cause.
Oh yeah, this one is
pretty sketchy.
Pretty sketchy. You're gonna see it.
I'm just gonna feel it out.
Yeah, it's like way steeper than you think.
Yeah.
I'm going inside, behind the bushes, where you really can see how crazy it is. Look at that. Look how steep it is.
Yeah.
You don't realize until you actually drive in here.
And there's like no room.
Yeah, no room for error here.
Yeah.
If you see another car driving, try not to stop on the track when you go back, just to stop here.
Okay.
Fucking good, man.
Thanks.
That was a wicked shot. Fuck, that was cool. Yeah, probably down there.
At this turn?
Yeah, on this turn, because then I can... Yeah, okay. Go for it, man.
Alright.
one really up there. That was wicked. That was a good spot. I could got 2 ways. Fuck yeah.
I'm probably gonna be out of tire after this one, so
yeah.
this will be the last one.
Sure. You gonna buy more tires?
I think I'm just gonna buy another set and just kill it at north, yeah.
Oh yeah. This part is pretty sketch.
Yeah, I don't drift this part. Yeah.
It's really like if you miss the timing here, you pretty much roll over it all night. This hairpin because it can grab you coming and you going off. So
yeah.
Nice, man.
Sweet.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was awesome. Thank you.
No, it was really cool to be able to do like not all corners, but good sections.
Right.
It was fucking wicked, man. I love this track. I think it's my favorite.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, if I had a full like day just to learn this track, I would definitely do it.
Yeah, it's too dangerous, too sketchy, but it's wild. Like it's so good.
Dude, you were freaking... How often do you come here? Water spit. Oh, fuck yeah. Just finished. It was incredible. Last set of tires, I started bubbling them and they started chunking. So we're calling it. Great day. Yep. We just got done. God, this damn car. Right.
He can't drive a regular car. He's been drifting all day.
Yeah. Watch me crash now.
Yeah.
I didn't crash. So my refundable deposit will hit, which is awesome. I even got to tandem a little bit.
Twice.
Which was sick. I had a random guy at the hotel today while we were leaving, and I tandem with him today. He had a JZX. It's just, this place is unreal. I mean.
What was your favorite part? We're in a freaking tunnel right now that scares the living daylights out of me.
Mom rode with me.
I did.
It was great.
I made it through. Literally, the roads to this place scare the living daylights out of me.
Yeah. Anyone who knows Ebisu knows it's like a giant mountain road. Yeah. We're leaving now. Great day. I have a lot of footage to go through, so good day.
Has safari. There is a bear and a tiger. A restaurant, cafe. By the way, the food was amazing.
Katsu curry. It was great. Bye, Ebisu. Miss you.
Rocking a hard place, it's battery control.
I think we're almost there though.
What am I waiting for? Feet planted beneath my compass, my transport.
.7-Eleven sandwich with a view. Ready? Oh, that was a fail.
Take this out.
They won't leave. Ow. Get away. Very aggressive, I am. Good mouse. Yes, good, yes.
Alright, back from Japan. Finishing up editing the video right now, actually. Been super busy with the Z, and I got a new trailer set up, and all that's been taking up my time, so this video took a while to edit, but back now. Gonna film some more content with the Z and hopefully some more drift events soon. Here's a little sneak peek on what's going on with the Z right now. So yeah, the Z's getting some over fenders. That'll be in the next video. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully it's not the only Japan video. Hopefully I do another one in the years to come, but shit's expensive, so you know how it is. We'll see. But for now, thank you for watching.